Good morning, everybody. In this lesson, we will study the wave motion. Wave motion. First of all, we will study the motion. What's meant by motion? Motion means change of an object position as time passes according to another object. And there are two types of motion, which are motion can be classified into two types, which are number one, translational motion. Translational motion. And second type called periodic motion. Periodic motion. What's meant by translational motion? This motion means an object change its position from start point, to the end point. In this case, we can call this motion translational motion. This is a motion which has a start point and end point, like a motion of cars, motion of trains, motion of metro, person, and so on. But in this lesson, we will study the periodic motion in more details. Periodic motion can be classified into three types. Number one, oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion. Second type called wave motion. Number three, circular motion. Circular motion. First of all, we will study oscillatory motion with more details. Oscillatory motion means the object, which is called the oscillating body, can move around its rest position, like this, like a simple pendulum, It moves around its rest position and repeats this motion in equal intervals of time. For example, simple pendulum, tuning fork, string in musical instruments, spring, and so on. There are four concepts, very, very important concepts related with oscillatory motion. The first concept called complete oscillation. This means that this object can make one complete oscillation when it passes with one point in its path two successive times in the same direction. For example, this point called A, this point called B, this point called C. When this object moves from A to B, then return back from B to A, then moves from A to C, finally this object return back from C to A, we can call that. This motion or this oscillation or this vibration consists of four displacements, each one called amplitude. From A to B, one amplitude. From B to A, second amplitude. From A to C, third amplitude. From C to A, fourth amplitude. This means that any complete oscillation or vibration or cycle consists of four amplitudes. And complete oscillation means object or oscillating body passes with one point in its path two successive times in the same direction. The second concept called amplitude. Amplitude means the maximum displacement done by oscillating body away from its rest position. Or we can define amplitude with another form. Amplitude means the distance between 2 points, one of them, the speed at that point equals 0, and at the other is maximum. We can note that speed of this pendulum at point B equals 0, and speed at point A is maximum. so that the distance between 2 points, the speed